Hi everyone, and welcome to my Mary Poppins tutorial. The first thing I'm going to do is take this Wet n Wild foundation, and this just gives me a nice, fresh, but full coverage makeup look. I got inspired by the Disney characters at Disney World for this look, not particularly Julie Andrews, because her look is a little bit more natural, but vintage. So my inspiration came from kind of drama and theater, and then the princesses and character portrayals at Disney World with the twist of the vintage aspect that Julie Andrews has, obviously, in the movie Mary Poppins. So if you guys are wondering how I came up with the look, that's what I did. Some inspiration tied from all of those. I really absolutely love the way this cosplay came out, or costume, whatever you would like to call it. If you're using this for a cosplay, if you're using this for a Halloween costume, Halloween's right around the corner. I'm even thinking of being Mary Poppins just for a cute little at-home party or something. I don't know. With everything going on, I'm not too sure I'm going to wear any of these costumes out this year, but we'll see what I have planned. But I always go full coverage with Disney characters because I feel like that's what they do at the Disney parks, and they always look so perfect and pretty, and they're just mesmerizing. So obviously I'm going to bake all over my face. It's really important when you are doing a makeup look like this, especially when you're going out to bake, because it makes your makeup last a lot longer. And also when you bake, it catches fallout from the eyeshadow that falls on your face, so you don't have sparkles all over your face if you're using some type of sparkly eyeshadow or loose pigment, something like that. So right now I am just filling in my eyebrows a brown because her hair is brown, and I will be placing a brown wig on later. And now I'm going to take my Norvina palette. I use this palette all the time. It just has all the right colors. I pack this with me on trips. I love this palette so much that I actually had a dream last night that this palette got destroyed, and I was really sad because I do really love this palette. It's one of my favorites. Then I'm just going to take a loose shadow here, and it's a white eyeshadow, a single shadow from Maybelline, and I'm going to pop that bright in my inner corners and make sure I'm going to pack that on a lot on the inner corners. Then taking the color Incense from the Anastasia Norvina palette, I'm going to place that heavily along my crease like so. You just want to pack that color on more and more. That's when the baking powder comes in handy, because if this eyeshadow does fall out, which it really doesn't, this eyeshadow palette is really great and doesn't have much fallout, it'll catch onto the powder and you'll just wipe it off. So that's one of the oldest tricks in the book. It's nothing new. So I am just going to be blending that out with a blending brush, and just so it doesn't look too harsh. Then I'm going to take the color called Volatile, and with a smaller detailed brush, pack that into the crease. This is going to give dimension to the eyes, and when you add the red lips later, it's going to just make it pop. Make sure you're also going back with that pale eyeshadow color and placing that on your lid, because you will lose it once packing the shadows on. But yeah, then I am going to take a white eyeliner and line my waterline. This is going to give me an animated, more wide eye, bushy tail type of look. Then I'm taking this color right here. It's just a shimmering shadow. It's like a champagne color. I think it's called Essence in the palette. And I am just putting a little bit over that white eyeshadow. I had a lot of trouble figuring out if I wanted to make this matte, but I realized I wanted to have a little bit of shimmering shadow there. Then obviously we are going to curl and put mascara on the eyelashes, bottom and top. We're going to heavily coat those. Then I'm going to take these lashes by Wake Up and Makeup right here. These are magnetic lashes. I love these lashes, and this is how you coordinate them. It has how you individually place them, and then it comes with this cute application tool, and what you do is you just line up the lashes and carefully place those individual lashes to the ends of the magnet where they meet, and they snip right on, or snap I mean, and these are wonderful. I've been wearing magnetic lashes like crazy because I get tired of the eyelash glue, and these are great. They last forever because you don't have to pull eyelash glue off, so those will be linked down below. I'm going to obviously place a lot of peach eyeshadow on, not eyeshadow, blush, I'm sorry, on my cheeks, and then nose highlight, and then top it off with the Morphe setting spray. That looked funny, it went really fast. And then I'm going to use Cherry Lip Liner by MAC, and this is just going to line my lips. Then I'm going to go in with a liquid lip, because liquid lips last longer for the red lipstick. And yeah, I'm just taking this lip color by Live Glam. Live Glam has been my new favorite liquid lip, and this liquid lip is called Cuddle Me. It's the perfect cherry red. I was blown away by it. It's just so velvety. You can't feel it on your lips. It doesn't crumble easily. So Live Glam has been my new favorite liquid lip. And that is it for the look. Just put on your wig, unless you have brown hair, curl it, and then I put the hat on, and that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you are Mary Poppins, make sure to tag me, but I will see you in my next transformation video, cosplay, costume video. And here is my cosplay account if you guys want to follow. It's at Cosplay with Nicole, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.